Hello, my name is Moris Uoker. Greetings from Australia. I'm from the Australian Council for Educational Research, or ACER, and it's my pleasure to present this short message of support to all of you engaged in improving learning in Uzbekistan. An important aspect of improving learning is to understand where learners and populations of learners are at in their learning journey. For that, we need objective measurement or assessment of student achievement. I'd like to provide an overview of how international studies and organisations like ACER are helping to develop capacity in Uzbekistan in assessing student achievements. ACER first became engaged with the State Inspectorate in Uzbekistan through our role as the lead contractor in the OECD's International PISA study for the Core E component, providing support to new countries participating in PISA. ACER, along with other organisations experienced in designing and implementing large-scale surveys, have been supporting Uzbekistan to develop the capacity to successfully implement PISA. Focusing in on the Core E component of PISA, ACER specifically focused on understanding the capacity needs of Uzbekistan. We unpacked this through a formal capacity needs analysis, which was conducted through consultation with the PISA national team in Uzbekistan and involved other stakeholders in the State Inspectorate. Having come to a shared understanding of the capacity needs, we embarked on a shared way forward through the development of a capacity building plan. In this plan, ACER suggested various ways that the capacity needs of Uzbekistan could be addressed. The Uzbekistan national team prioritised the needs and activities that they felt were most important. There had to be a balance of prioritising capacities needed for implementing PISA successfully and the longer-term goals of raising the organisational capacity of the State Inspectorate to objectively measure learning outcomes, not just for international studies, but also to apply these capacities to national level efforts in assessment. The successful implementation of PISA was a main goal of the Core E support, and to support that, a project implementation plan was developed. The framework that we used in that analysis examined capacity needs at 3 levels or dimensions. The enabling environment is about the context of large-scale assessments at the system level. The organisational level concerns the organisational aspects of managing, designing, implementing and analysing data from large-scale assessments. At the individual level, we looked at key roles and responsibilities and the knowledge, skills and experience required to successfully complete the diversity of tasks required in large-scale assessments. There was a focus on the needs related to the implementation of PISA, but the capacity needs analysis and the capacity building plans were wider, incorporating the development of large-scale assessments more generally, such as national assessments. For example, at the system level, it was seen as a priority to further develop strategies to integrate data from large-scale assessment programs into the education policy cycle. At the organisational level, the creation of professional development plans for organisational units was identified as an ongoing priority. And at the individual level, it was seen as important that staff could explain the difference between 2 methodological approaches used to analyse assessment data. The relationship that started between Uzbekistan and ACER led to the signing of a formal Memorandum of Understanding between ACER and the State Inspectorate. Last year, on the basis of our Memorandum of Understanding and building on the partnership developed during PISA Core E, Mr. Abduvali Ismailov, the Director of the National Centre for the Implementation of International Studies on the Assessment of Quality of Education, worked with ACER to develop a more specific capacity building program to meet national needs wider than for the implementation of PISA. Together, after some weeks of consultation and revision, we drafted a potential capacity building program which aims at building capacity at the organisational and individual levels and focuses in on key identified priorities, these being assessment instrument development and development of psychometric skills for application in large-scale assessments. More specifically, we hope to be working together on some of the topics you see on the screen, including developing assessment frameworks, developing competency-based assessments, and understanding the role of standard setting and the associated choices of standard setting methods. We look forward to progressing with this plan. In the meantime, I'd like to acknowledge the huge steps that the National Centre has made in participating in international studies like PISA and TIMSS. Participating in these studies is really an excellent way to build capacity because you are guided every step of the way by experts with vast experience. At ACER, we use this model of 14 key areas of a robust assessment program. In particular, we've seen that the National Centre in Uzbekistan has made huge advances in many of these areas. Applying technical standards, linguistic quality control, introducing complex rotated and linked test designs, sample design, standardized field operations, data management processes, understanding psychometric scaling methods, and introducing analysis of complex survey data, knowing how to produce unbiased population estimates of ability, accounting for measurement and sampling error. Congratulations to the Uzbekistan team. And with that, I'd just like to wish good luck to the new Uzbekistan. Assessing learning is the key to improving learning, and we will support you on your journey. Thank you very much for your time today.